Review of rules: we use there is, and there are, when we first refer to the existence or presence of someone or something. There is, and theirs, are both singular forms, so singular nouns can be used after them. We use theirs, more commonly in informal speaking. There are, is the plural form of there is, and theirs. Plural nouns can be used after there are. We use quantifiers, when we want to give someone information about the number of something. Some of the quantifiers are, a few, some, a lot of, many, little, a little, much, any, no.
Examples of the sentences with countable nouns and quantifiers. There is an apple. There are a few apples. There are some apples. There are a lot of apples. There isn't any apple. There is no apple.
Examples of the sentences with uncountable nouns and quantifiers. There's little money. There's a little money. There's some money. There's a lot of money. There's no money. There isn't any money. Quiz 1. Answer each questions in full form. Use quantifiers in your answers for now. How much rice is there?
How many wolves are there?
How much time is there?
How many silver bars are there?
Is there any hope for black?
Are there a few ants?
How much butter is there?
How many gold bars are there?
How much tea is there?
How many ants are there?
Quiz 2. Listen to the conversation and fill in the blanks with the proper words.
Conversation 1.
Excuse me, is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, there's one on the first floor.
Great. And is there a pool?
Yes, there's a pool on the roof.
Is there a changing room up there?
No, there isn't, but there's a restroom.
Okay, thanks.